Okay, surface mount soldering instruction time. This is a resistor that you'll need to put on the boards. So, we're going to use some liquid flux, which I will provide you. This is what they call no clean flux, which means you don't have to take it off afterwards. It's non-corrosive, so it will not damage the circuit board. As a matter of fact, it actually protects it from corrosion. Okay, so soldering iron tip. Make sure you got some solder on it, not too much. Using tweezers, you take your part. You'll be doing all the diodes. I'm doing this resistor because it's a 0 ohm resistor that we need to jumper across a trace. It needs to be perfectly centered, and then you just touch the side of it with the soldering iron that has solder on it. Do the other side, and that part's on there. Okay, so we're going to do one of the terminal strips. If you'll notice, the underside, all of the screw slots are recessed so they can't short out on these other traces. So again, get some solder on the soldering iron. We need a little bit more for the screw terminals. I just put it flat on the board, hold it still. Okay, now that I've got one of them soldered, I actually use the solder to do the rest of them. And that's it.